Today we're going to be looking at the time value of money and calculating future values. The time value of money is the concept that money is worth more today than tomorrow. In other words, $100 received today is not the same as $100 received 1 year from now. The future value is the cash value of an investment at some point in the future. We'll start off with this basic problem. Today you decide to invest $10,000 in an investment that pays 5% per year. How much will your investment be worth in 1 year? Here's one way that we can solve this problem. We can take the principal amount, which is the amount that we're deciding to invest in this investment that pays 5% per year. So the principal amount of $10,000. The next calculation is just calculating how much interest we will be earning in the 1 year of growth. So we will be earning 5%, so 5% times 10,000 is 500, so we'll be earning $500 of interest in the 1 year. The last calculation is to calculate what our investment will be worth in 1 year. So this subscript 1 represents the value of our investment in 1 year. So to calculate that, we take the $10,000 principal investment plus the $500 of interest we earned in the 1 year, which gives our answer of $10,500. Another way that we could have solved for this problem is by taking the $10,000 principal amount and growing it at the 5%. This gives us the same answer as you can see. Now this is the exact same problem, but notice now instead of figuring out how much our investment will be worth in 1 year, we're determining how much our investment will be worth in 5 years. This is the future value formula. So the future value is equal to the present value times 1 plus r. R is the interest rate to the exponent t, and t is the number of periods, usually years. In this case it's years. So we're determining how much your investment will be worth in 5 years, so t in this case will be 5. So if we take the information given to us in the question, we get the future value at time 5, or in other words, the future value in 5 years equals the $10,000 present value amount grown at 5% for a total of 5 years. And if you calculate this out, it comes out to $12,762.82. Note that this is rounded, so don't panic if you got a slightly different answer. In the next video, we'll be going over present values, so basically the opposite of future values,